Now let us discuss about analysis of time series, or we can say measurement of trends. It is done by different methods, and out of those four methods are over there. First is freehand curve method, second is moving average method, third is a semi-average method, fourth is a method of least square. So first of all, we are having data related to different years. Suppose in the year 2001 sale was 65,000 units. In the year 2002 that was a 90,000 units, and so on till 2006 it was a 115,000 units. If we will plot it in the diagram, in the graphical presentation, in this way, on x-axis we are writing years and units are in thousand that we have written in the case of y-axis. So 2001 it was a 65, 2002 it was a 90, then 2003 it was 80, like that we have plotted it. But what is about that is on an average basis, what will be the trend line, timeline, or you can say what is a series of activity in the sequence. So first method, that is a very simple method, but it is not a systematic method. It is a simple method, freehand curve method. How we will do, we will make a curve over here. That curve may be, that is as per the freehand. That means it is not having any proper sequence. It is done with the help of your freehand. That is, suppose we are having this data. This is actually we have plotted. But suppose we want to calculate any amount at the year 2007, or you can say what is the trend in the year 2003, in the mid of 2003 and 4. So it will be interpolation or extrapolation in the data which we are not having data, and the year which is outer of these data covering, that can be analyzed, that can be guessed, that can be predicted, forecasted by the freehand. So freehand is a unsystematic, that is not having any system. So if we will draw like line that is simply by the freehand, that this trend is going upward, so almost covering all the things. This is a freehand curve. So freehand curve is nothing but it is a freehandly, that is it is only by watching you can make a line. But another method is a semi-average method. It is almost close to it, but it is having a very simple system. That is, whatsoever data is there, divide that data in two parts. This data was in even figure, that is 6 items were there, 6 year data was there. So we will divide it in three parts. So total it is 235. Total of these 3 datas is 350. Divide by 3, we are getting 78.3 and 116.3. So what we will do, in the center, this was a 2001 year, 2 and 3. So center was a 2002. So we will mark at the year 2002 one dot over here, and that dot is the first point A. Next we will see that in this case average is 116.3. What we will do at the center, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2005 is the center. So we will mark at the year 2005, that is a 116.3. So we will match these A and B point with the help of scale. that was on the free hand also, it was on the same point, but sometime it is not exactly on this line. So this line what we have drawn freehandly, in that we have got these 2 points A and B. So this is a simple average method. But what will be the condition then when these data will be not in the even number of years? So if they are in the odd number, what we will do? We will, if data is in odd number, leave the center data. Center year will be ignored and first part will be added and average will be calculated, and last one will be calculated and their average will be calculated. So this will be the freehand semi-average method will be there. Now moving toward another method, that is method moving average method. After semi-average, there was one more further improvement in the method, that we will make not only 2 points semi-average method, instead of that semi-average we are having moving average method. So in case of moving average method, we are having moving data. How it will be calculated? First of all, we will discuss it in the odd number of years or period. So in the case of odd number, so in this question data is given from 1992 2002. This is a 3 yearly moving average method. How it will be calculated? 3 yearly moving average method will be calculated by adding 3-year data and adding it. By adding it we are getting 46. Now leave 13 and add 21. Now next 3 from second, third, fourth, then third, fourth, fifth, we are calculating totals. And at last we are having 25, 33 and 28, total is 86. But 33 and 28, these two are there, but we are going to calculate 3-year moving average. So 3-year moving total will be there by 3-year data, not by 2. So we will put the blank. In the starting there will be blank, in the last there will be blank. And by obviously that is in the middle of the year, it will be data will be presented. Totals will be presented. Now it was a total of 3 years. Now 3 years will be divided by 3 number, 46 divided by 3, 54 divided by 3, 54 divided by 3. So we are getting 3-year moving average. Now plot these averages in front of 91, 92, 93 till 2001. So as we have done calculated, so data was like that, but moving average will be in between this, that is in the year 1991, and it will end at 2001. So it will be having fluctuation. So it is depicting close to the data, actual data, but work is more as compared to semi-average. So now we will discuss about 5 year. So data is here. In case of 5 year, we will take the data of 5 year. 30 plus 36 plus 45 plus 54 plus 75. So it will be written at the center, that is the third year, 240. 1987 representing 240, 5-year moving total. After calculating 5-year moving total, then we will leave 30. Then we will add 36, 45, 54, 75, 76. And in front of 87 we will write 276. So 2 blanks will be at the starting and 2 blanks will be at the last, because we are going to take the total of 5 years. So 5-year average will be calculated by dividing 5, and that will be plotting. After 2 years there will be point, and that point will be afterward derived like that. So 3-year average will be having more fluctuation, it is more close to the data. 5-year average will be not having that much fluctuation as compared to the, because it is going to near the semi-average. But what will happen when we are going to calculate it from even number of years? So it is very simple. Data is here, calculate 4-year total, but it will be in between second and third year. Total will be written in the second and third year center, then it will be third and fourth year center, then fourth and fifth year center. So write in the center of, that is the second and third, and so on. And afterward that 4-year average will be calculated by dividing by 4. Now what we will do, because it is not exactly in the front of the year, so we will add this 43.5 and 40.725 and we will divide it by 2. So average of these two, again next two, so we will calculate and we will put it in the front of third year, that is 1990. So by this way we will select the value which will be representing as in the front of the particular year, not in the middle of 2 years. So this will be the 4-year average of moving average, and then we will plot it. So this will be the method of that is a moving average in the case of even number of years. So this way we have calculated and we have represented on the diagram. Actual data was there, but 4-year moving average will be there. So this way we will calculate that is the moving average method. What will happen when particular years will be having weightage? Weightage method will be same, but we are giving weightage. How it is? So in this question, determine the trend of the following time series using 3-year weighted moving average with weight 2, 3, 2. So for first year we will give the weight 2, for second year we will give the weight 3, and that is the third year we are giving weight 2. Importance is given more to the central year. So how it is done? So this is the data in front of 2001. 3 should be multiplied by the 2 plus 6 into 3 plus 8 into 2. But next time we will leave the 3. Then 6 into 2 plus 8 into 3 plus 11 into 2. Next is 8 into 2, 11 into 3, then 2 into 12. So like that we will also put the value of weight also. So we have done like that. So 2 into 3, that is the weight is 2, plus 3 into 6 plus 2 into 8, like that we have calculated. So weight is also multiplied, and then what will happen? So it will not be divided by 3, it will be divided by these total of weight. So basically formula will be sigma VW over sigma W. So we have multiplied with the 2, weight was given 2, 3 and 2, 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 it is 7. So what we will do? We will divide it with the 7. सो अगर इसको ध्यान ना समझिया जाए तो 3, 6, 8, 11, 12, 15 साढ़े कोल डाटा है। असी 3 ਨੂੰ weight देना है 2, 6 ਨੂੰ weight देना है 3, 8 ਨੂੰ देना है 2। नेक्स्ट टाइम 6 ਨੂੰ weight देना है 2, 8 ਨੂੰ देना है weight 3 और उस तो बाद 11 ਨੂੰ weight देना है 2। नेक्स्ट इज 8 ਨੂੰ weight देना है 2, 11 ਨੂੰ weight देना है 3, 12 ਨੂੰ देना है 2। सो नेक्स्ट इज जो सेंटर च होएगा उसमें weight 3 दिता जा रहा है, जो साइडां ते इन्होंने weight 2 2 दिता जा रहा है। सो टोटल विल बी हियर 3 ईयर वेटेड मूविंग टोटल। फिर इस टोटल ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ नंबर 3 ਨਾਲ डिवाइड नहीं करना, ਅਸੀਂ डिवाइड करना है 2 + 3 + 2 दैट इज 7, 7 है डिवाइड करके आया आंसर 5.71 लाइक दैट। सो दिस इज अ वेटेड मूविंग एवरेज मेथड। After weighted moving average method, there is another method, that is the method of least square या least square method। least square method same है जो असी correlation या regression च करते आ रहे। How it is done? Suppose data is here, we are having values of time 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and variables are 15, 21, 25, 33 44 ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ईयर है उसनों x मान लांगे x मनन तो बाद बेस ईयर 0 1 2 3 4 इस तरीके ना नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स नु x नु काउंट कर लांगे इस द नंबर है 5 एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 5 नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन 5 x दा जो टोटल है इट इज 10 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 y दी जो वैल्यूज सीगियां जो डाटा सी वेरिएबल्स दा वो एज इट इज साडा टोटल बन गया 134 सिग्मा y इज 134 नेक्स्ट इज x square means 0 square 1 square 2 square 3 square 4 and 4 square total is 30 then x ਤੇ y ਦਾ मल्टीप्लिकेशन now ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ y on x करना है y निकालना है अगर सानू कोई ईयर की वैल्यू निकालनी है किवें y जो असी एक्सपैक्टेड बनाने हैं जो असी ड्राइव करने हैं y जो ट्रेंड का असी निकालना है दैट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय वाई सी जो निकालना है इज इक्वल टू एक ऑटोनॉमस है प्लस दैट इज रिग्रेशन एक्स हाउ इट विल बी देयर सिग्मा वाई ये टोटल होएगा वाई का तो सिग्मा वाई ए जो है नंबर उन्ने टाइम आएगा तो एन ए प्लस बी सिग्मा एक्स हुण असी सारी इक्वेशन नू वाई ना मल्टीप्लाई करांगे सो वाई दा बन जाएगा एक्स वाई एन वारी एक्स आएगा तो दैट इज सिग्मा एक्स हो जाएगा सिग्मा एक्स एक्स ना मल्टीप्लाई बार बार होएगा तो सिग्मा एक्स के सो दो इक्वेशन बन गई असी इहदे विच वैल्यू पुट करांगे सिग्मा वाई साडे कोल है 134 नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन 5 है ए प्लस सिग्मा एक्स दैट वाज 10 and then sigma xy that was 330 is equal to sigma x 10 है a plus sigma x square साढ़े को 30 है 30b then there is we will equate them इस 5 ਨੂੰ 10 बनाने वास्ते ਅਸੀਂ सारी ही रो ਨੂੰ सारी ही इक्वेशन ਨੂੰ 2 ਨਾਲ मल्टीप्लाई करांगे 268 is equal to 10a plus 20b इस नू असी जदों इस नाल इक्वेट करांगे इक्वेट करन तो बाद साडे कोल आंसर आया 62 इज इक्वल टू 10b b इज 6.2 सो रिग्रेशन जो निकालिया bx5 byx दैट इज 6.2 हुण इस 6.2 नू पुट करके असी इक्वेशन किसी एक भी इक्वेशन च पुट करके a दी वैल्यू निकाल लांगे 14.4 सो ये जो ट्रेंड लाइन या रिग्रेशन लाइन बनी है वो बन गई है a 14.4 प्लस b दैट इज 6.2 x हुण x की वैल्यू जो जो पुट करांगे सपोज इट वाज 0x अगर 0 पुट करते हैं तो ये 14.4 रह जाएगा अगर 1 पुट करते हैं इत्थे तो दैट विल बी दैट 1 into 6.2 दैट इज 6.2 14.4 प्लस 6.2 दैट इज 20.6 फॉर 20.6 आ गया उस तो बाद फिर असी सारी ही वैल्यूज निकाल लांगे सारी ही वैल्यू जो निकल गया दैट इज एक्स नो 2 पुट किया 14.4 प्लस 6.2 into 2 दैट इज 12.4 तो 12.4 ते 14.4 26.8 बन गया एक्स की वैल्यू 3 पुट करांगे तो दैट इज 14.4 प्लस 6.2 into 3 दैट इज अगेन 18.6 नू अगर 14.4 चढ़ांगे 33 उस तो बाद है 4 पुट करांगे 6.2 into 4 दैट इज 24.8 नू अगर 14.4 चढ़ांगे 39 इस नू असी पुट करांगे ग्राफ दे विच तां साडी एक ट्रेंड लाइन बनेगी दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट इज अ लीस्ट स्क्वायर मैथड लीस्ट स्क्वायर मैथड दा एक होर अल्टरनेटिव है दैट इज विद द शॉर्टकट मैथड शॉर्टकट मैथड तां होएगा जे असी एक्चुअल मीन दे विचों डेविएशन निकालिए पर लीस्ट स्क्वायर मैथड इन्ना ही समझने की लोड़ है दैट इज इट इज फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल वैल्यूज ऑनली थैंक यू